about me and you, and I think to myself.
Okay, what's going on? This is number 16, nearly at 20. Just gonna sort of fill you in on what's happened because I haven't really recorded everything fully and it's a bit unstructured, so hang on, notification. So mate Will came out yesterday because he wanted me to show him how to put sockets into the walls. Okay, you cannot see me. We'll do it this way. Okay, so this video is just on how to put a new socket in. If you die, it's yeah. It sucks to be you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Then stuff happened, we didn't have the right stuff, so we went to B&Q, but then I wanted to take the drone up because it was just about to get sunset, but we missed it. No! So this is that.
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Sorry that was a bit everywhere, but now we're back to normal.
Hello?
Hot Water Comedy Club tomorrow, Paul Smith.
Yeah.
What time
Yeah.
is it?
Doors open at 7 and the show starts at 8 till 10:30. Can't believe we got last minute tickets.
Well, they're booked up for like a month, aren't they?
Yeah, like 2 months normally.
Okay, ciao.
Try.
Right. Okay, so I'm about to pick up Yaz and then we're going to the train station to go to town. Well, this is my first drive on my own in the car, so, well, picking up Yaz, but gotta get there, so kind of a big deal. Okay, there's Yaz, thanks for swearing on me as well.
Hey,
Can't even see her face, go on. There we go, it's my cousin.
Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy.
Okay, so we're nearly there. Paul Smith's MC who's red. It's the new, what is he as? It's the new Rising Stars, so it's all like the new people, but it looks so funny. Yaz has been before, what did you think of it last time?
that good, yeah?
That good.
In every life we have some trouble, but when you worry you make it double. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now.
Michael, nice. What you do, Michael? Why is he laughing like a lion? He just laughed his head off like, oh my god, how's he going to tell him that he sells drugs, yeah? Is that what he does? Yeah! I fucking knew your face, you know. I bought ketamine off you, didn't we? What you drive, mate? A Range Rover? And you work a jug? You fucking defo sell BQ! Hey, you're on camera as well, you know. You're going down for this shit.
Cheers.
I'm in the car.
Okay, we're in. I know that was like a bit messy, but I tried to sort of explain it. Probably a bit shit, but still getting out the picture. Probably a bit rubbish, sorry, but yeah, I'll say like and subscribe.
Like, no. Just
Not
go
really
in.
laughing, is it?
Okay, so I know it's, was it 50, oh shit, whoa. Okay, quick shout out. So I know I've only got 54 subscribers and it means there's really no point in doing this, but he asked me to and I said I would, so gotta stick to your promises. I told Ella to shout him out on my channel because he seemed quite happy with that, so I'll put his Instagram in the bottom, come and follow him. New video coming on Sunday, so make sure you subscribe to catch that. Okay, thanks for watching.
Don't worry, be happy. Be happy.